Welcome to Oz Nomad Destinations. Follow us as we caravan our way around Australia. This is Ed and I'm Beck, and we're finding you the best free and budget camp spots Oz has to offer. Fishing, crabbing and hiking our way through this awesome country. For notifications, click subscribe and hit the bell, and that will keep you up to date.
So we've just been staying at Toomulla Campgrounds for a couple of days. It's another free camp just north of Townsville. It's run by the council. And once again, to book in, you just check in with the app and put in the days you're going to stay. There's a toilet block, a kids playground, boat ramp, a big grassed area for you to camp on. We'll just give you a quick look around. So this is the signs that say what you can and you can't do. And this is your scan code, so you just turn your camera on, scan your code in, takes you to the site, and then you can book in with the days you're allowed to stay for 48 hours, and then you need to move on. Anyway, we'll go up here. So that's the campgrounds. Some of it's shaded, some of it's sunny, but it's a fairly big area. I'm just going to take you up here now and show you the kids' playground. There's actually a large turnaround area here, so if you're coming with a caravan or a large rig, you can actually go right round in a full circle and come back out. It's a really good kids' playground. There's a fair few things for them there to play with. There's barbecue tables, picnic tables. There's a couple of barbecues over here, gas ones. Water fountain for your dogs and a water fountain for yourself. And then there's a couple of huts there for you to have picnics or kids' parties. Both of them are lit up at night time. Actually, the whole park is lit up like Grand Central Station. There's that many spotlights. You can hardly sleep for the brightness of the spotties. So just be aware of that when you park. So we're coming over here to the boat ramp. So that's a good cement boat ramp. It goes right down. I think it's about mid-tide at the moment, bordering on low, and you'd still be able to access that quite easily. It does say there's crocs in here, so no swimming. Throw a crab pot in. We didn't actually catch anything. We didn't do a lot of fishing while we were here. We spent most of the time in Townsville sourcing things that we need. But yeah, there's your boat ramp. So there's your bins. And your water tap's just down there on the side of the toilet block. That's the access to the beach just there.
Did.
I'm going with that beach waddle. There is not a happy camper. And there's us parked up there. Anyway, that's Toomulla Beach. It's a great spot. There's only been 1 or 2 campers here the whole time we were here. It is a little hot at the moment. I think it's like 33 degrees today, so that's probably keeping them away. If you enjoyed that, please subscribe. Keep in touch, stay happy, and we'll see you on the next one.